So, you might be wondering how to exactly use Black Flash here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Well, this one is quite easy, but there are a few things that you need to look out for. So, first things first is you want to use this character here. So, this is a vessel, and we want to use the Divergent Fist skill. As you can see, it has that use twice option here. Now, the thing with the Divergent Fist here, it has the capability to use Black Flash, but you need to time this really, really carefully. Now, what I'm talking about is you need to press the Divergent Fist key, or the 3 key here, 2 times. But there's a very specific moment that you need to press this. Now, the moment you need to press this is when you see the fist or the elbow of your character just in front of your screen. You need to press your Divergent Fist again. So you'll know that it actually works if you do see like a red flash in your screen. Now, it might be hard to get it at the first time. So what you need to do is press 3, then 3 again, and you'll notice like a red flash there. But as you can see, I didn't do it properly. So let's try it again. So 3, 3. And you should see that red flash, as you can see right now, what you saw on my screen. So yeah, that's how you use Black Flash here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.